Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about social science examination for class 10th. Social science 2020-21 pre-midterm portion. Pre-midterm portion. Children, I have taken so many chapters, but I am going to take only 4 chapters for the midterm portion. That is for history. The name of the chapter is Nationalism in India. Then political science, power sharing, geography. We will be taking agriculture chapter, and from economics one chapter, that is sectors of Indian economy. So there are total 4 chapters for pre-midterm, and children, please learn nicely this all 4 chapters. Watch the videos, and in the videos also there are some dates and important things are given that you can learn in all these 4 chapters. Then you have to see the notes also, and one note is there. I have taken print culture and gender, caste and religion also. So children, according to the new syllabus pattern, no need of learning these 2 chapters, that is print culture and gender, caste and religion. Please remove these chapters from your means notebook. If you have written also, please write on your notebook. So no need of learning and writing in your notebook. Okay. These 2 chapters are not included in new syllabus. Why I am not taking this? Because according to the new syllabus what they have given recently, according to that these 2 chapters are not included. So no need of learning this chapter. Then one more thing I have to say, this time we are going to take this pre-midterm. Multiple type of questions will be there. So you have to read the chapter very nicely. Please read the textbook of this lessons very carefully, so that you may get some dates, some names for the multiple choice questions. So you have to learn very thoroughly from the textbook also, from the PDF also, from the videos also. All the questions will be asked. So that later we will be telling you when we will be giving these questions to you. Okay. And today I have given one form also. Please read that form and fill it and submit that according to the subject wise we have given. So children, for the social, you all have to fill that form and please submit that form and write all the details in that forms about you, so that we can take your examination smoothly. That will be on your WhatsApp number. Thank you.